President, lumakas pa yung bagyo, 205 na ngayon.
205.
Tapos bumibilis ang yung go into that. Yes.
Walang possibility parang nung tinatrack niyo yung Yolanda, more certain yung Yolanda than this one. What are the differences? Why would this be more difficult than the other one?
Ganito po sir, kasi mayroong dalawang high pressure area dun sa north of the typhoon na gumagalaw na hindi malaman kung ano yung speed nung hindi regular yung speed nung takbo nung high pressure area. Kaya yung ibang output ng model na nagre-recurve siya dahil parang may tendency na papasok sa in between do sa dalawang high pressure area. So kung
Or yung high pressure area tutulak lang sa
ganun po. Opo. So sa ngayon sir is 205 kilometers per hour yung sustained winds.
Kaya siya naging super.
Yung ating i-adapt sir is 220 kilometers per hour. Napapadelay yung kanyang landfall pero doon pa rin sa lugar ng Samar. Magiging hapon na po ng Sabado. Bumagal po yung takbo.
Alam mo, ang hirap lang nito, no? Eto, ang delikado, handa natin yung adjacent. No? Biglang pumihit yung adjacent na safe ang naging delikado at itong si delikado ang hindi na pre-posit niya. yung concept lang kanina, twinning. No? Kailan tayo magkakaroon ng certainty nitong truck? Or whether yan?
Mr. President, siguro as a background lang.
Let me explain the problem.
Yes.
It moves here. Therefore, these areas are most at risk and these other areas are less at risk. Oh, now, if the model suddenly changes, those less at risk become the more at risk. There's nothing we have at the more at risk to take care of the previously less at risk. And that's why we need to know, is there if you tell us that there is no way that you can have a certainty to the truck, then perhaps we should be dividing what we have amongst the two potential trucks.
Siguro, where are we getting our confidence, more or less? For example, yung Yolanda, when it started, almost all the models have the same truck. So, so it was a...
The answer to the question, kasi parang wala na tayong time.
Hindi. Kaya nga, going back...
Will we get to a point that there's certainty?
Yes.
Yes? Or we don't know?
Very short answer lang, Mr. President. Okay. When Ruby started, we are following up 5, including our own models. 2 of them will recurve to Japan, and 3 would make a landfall. Kaya sabi namin 60-40. Pero right now, almost all will make a landfall. So nag-agree na yung almost all the 5 models. So that's why we are more confident ngayon that it will make landfall and it would be in those areas. And also because of study of the history of all the yung lahat ng typhoons natin during December, ganito din yung track.
We'll put all of our eggs in that basket. No.
Yes.
Safe yun.
Yes.
This is unit. It says unit.
Kala ko ba Yolanda? Yolanda was stronger. Parang mali naman yata yun. Yung comms, no? Yung paulit-ulit yung message, no? It's a natural phenomenon. We are prepared. But all of the preparation will be for nothing if people decide to let their imaginations run wild. Right? So walang logic to divide the eggs amongst 2 baskets. Okay. One last thing na, yung baka naman lahat ang submit na report na ganito personnel, ganito equipment, ganito lahat. No? Hindi pwedeng paper lang lahat to. Check on everybody that they actually did para may redundancy ng checking. Na yung commitments that we will have this at such and such a time, with such and such a quantity, lahat nun, totoo lahat yan. Mahirap pag nag-move tayo ng resources and personnel around to find out that they're not there. Again, mahirap yung patience doon sa understanding. Okay?